In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about which Redbubble product actually sell. The aim of this video is to show you guys the importance of activating all of your products and not underestimating certain products. I actually managed to pull together a poll where 623 of you guys voted, giving us a little bit of information of what has sold for you. So I'll be covering that and more within this video. So if you're ready for that, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. Now, if you happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. We've helped a lot of people make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you're the kind of person who wants extra information, down in the description, I have a free print on demand starter guide. And for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked just below. And like I said at the start, today, I said we'll be talking about which Redbubble product sells most. I actually put together a poll where I asked you guys, which product have you sold most of? There were 623 votes, of which 188, which is 30% of people, said they sell t-shirts. 311, which was 50% of the vote, said they sold stickers. And then other, which was mentioned in the comments, which we'll get into, said they sold 118. The good thing about having polls like this is it gives me realistic information going off what you guys have already done. I myself have different products that sell really well for me, such as greetings cards and other products. If you want to see about my products and you want more information on that, I'll link a video down in the description that I made talking about which products sell best for me. And one thing this poll proved to me is the fact that stickers sell a lot. I've always told people that stickers are factually the best selling product on Redbubble. And if you're starting out on Redbubble and you have no sales, stickers are the product you should be making your front product images. And yeah, this poll just helped solidify that a little bit more. Now, for those people that are past the point of selling stickers, that are past the point of having no sales, you want to then start looking towards other products, start looking towards activating everything. So yeah, as I go through the comments of the people that selected other, hopefully you guys can start to see maybe what other products you can kind of try to focus on. Also guys, if you have any questions you want me to make a poll for more potential videos like this, make sure to drop them down in the comment section. I'll go through them and I'll ask this community to see what people are saying. Now, when I went through the comments, the first thing that I saw was this. You guys really know how to catch me off guard, don't you? By actually getting into the other products that people had sold, one I came across was an apron. So we had Darren and John here both saying that they sold aprons. So Darren was saying, I've sold more aprons than anything else. Stickers are close second. And John pretty much said aprons crazy random. Now, one thing that kind of stands out to me about that is the fact that for people who like maybe cooking or who like kitchen based things, aprons are a valid product that you can try to create designs for because they sell. One thing that people don't think about when it comes to Redbubble is that if you find a certain product and you find niches that work with it, you could potentially get yourself a lot of sales. And I personally feel like aprons are a great example of that. Next up in the comments, we had someone actually asking a question. Now, usually I answer questions on my Q&A Sundays. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section and I'll get to them when it comes to my Q&A Sunday video. But here he was pretty much asking, when you build a shop in regards to the print on demand, once you sell a shirt, are you the one that print it or does the customers print it? Well, print on demand is simple. When you sell a shirt, what happens is Redbubble actually get everything sorted in regards of the t-shirts, the printing. They send it out to the customer, they deal with the customer service. Back to the products that I'd sold for other people, we had a lot of face masks, cards, greetings cards, and a lot of people saying masks, as you can see there. Stephanie was saying face masks, posters, onesies, cards. Anne was saying greetings cards. Officer Pimp said mask, and Rajan was saying masks. Masks were actually a product that came out, it would have been a year and a half to nearly 2 years ago. At the point when there were new products, a lot of people were getting a lot of sales on masks. The sales may have died down a little bit now, but yes, this is just an example of why it's very, very important to take advantage of new products. Next up, we had Crystal saying, I've sold a few journals and notebooks. Now, the great thing about this comment is the fact that people that are in a similar situation can take these designs to websites such as Amazon KDP. For those who don't know what that is, Amazon KDP is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You can actually upload notebook and journal covers on there. Once Amazon accept them, you now have listings on Amazon that people can buy. And if you're selling journals and notebooks through Redbubble, you can most likely do it through Amazon KDP. Next up, we had these two guys. First guy is Russian. I'm not sure if I can pronounce that. Is that Okaha? He was saying socks, and we had Susmate saying, I don't know why, but people like their socks. Another great example of a completely random product you guys probably wouldn't think about that sells. Socks, for me, tend to do well around the Christmas time, mainly because I have designs that are made in a certain way where they fit as perfect Christmas gifts, if that makes sense. But you can always find evergreen niches that you can link to socks to get your sock sales up. Next up, we had these comments. So we had Jen saying totes and dresses, Mohammed saying kids onesies, M saying water bottles, and Anthony at the bottom there saying pins. And what this pretty much showed me is that there's a variation of things that you guys can sell if you put your mind towards it. One comment I tend to come across a lot is a lot of people asking me why it's important to activate all of the products. This is why you can sell next to anything. When you activate all your products, even if you don't think they look good on certain things, eventually you get to a point where you are selling random products. For me, some of the weirdest have been clocks, shower curtains. My designs did not look good on those products, but they sold. So yes, one thing you need to take from this video is when it comes to Redbubble, make sure that you are activating all of your products. You never know what can sell. And if you have a certain product that you like, or if you're thinking about designing specifically for one of the products that you've seen in this video, don't have any sort of hesitation. Go for it. Make sure everything's activated alongside it, and I'm pretty sure you're going to do okay with that too. Nevertheless, I'm going to leave this video here. If you enjoyed it, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. If you made it to this point, down in the comment section, comment down, activate everything, and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.